most is exclusiveness. You can't see Alkaline walk up and down pan halfway tree road or they're all over the place and them something. I never see Alkaline in real life yet.
May I represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock. Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them.
Go on, you don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man. I don't know the same thing, people. Cause people, me I tell you, it's when I'm done with them. Cause me and the industry, you know. Cause I see what them I try do. But people, this is why enough of these artists no really reach further in them career. You understand? Them no build no legacy, them no have nothing for sure say yo, them a make big move. See? Enough of them artists, yeah. Bow to cartel, and that's why today them not achieve a lot of things. Is what I try to say, because look here. Them try for this Alkaline forget cartel attention. See? But when you check it, them not have nothing for themselves. Imagine them try for this Alkaline for cartel, but when you check it, them still not depend on the level where cartel there, where Alkaline there. Them still not up on the level. Cause all of them are chatting, just a facade thing, you know. The reality is soon hit, you know. So them just are going yap, you know. But people, I go play some clip, and I go show you say that all of them say the same thing. And you have to wonder, these are men, you know. Them man, yeah, a man and a woman them. But they so care. Them so care about a man just for try this a youth. And I like to youth this them baby mother or them wife. This is a man where I know them father, I know them biological father, them not no bloodline, I know them family. But them with this a man just for your next man, just for gain a next man attention. And this is why today them career not established like Alkaline, because them so focusing on getting strength from a next artist and now focus on feed them work and the work that them are put in. But people, number one list on the list, Masicka. Yeah, where I say?
Alkaline is a talented DJ, but him for just accept the fact him living a Vibes Cartel shadow and him a child the Vibes Cartel. Okay. You know what I mean? And him still now come and say him a child the Vibes Cartel. You see me, I say, me no rate that. Okay.
So, when you hear Masicka say a while ago, this narrative over the years, seeing, and when Alkaline do interview, seeing people, they must say, yo, Ray, and him not stay like the man there and Ray. But back then, they must say, yo, a man I live in a man style. I don't understand this. I don't understand, cause how much artists represent the man here? See? How much artists represent cartel? See? And them not reach a level where Alkaline reach. Tell me now. You see a man living a style and whatsoever. But Masicka, you know for talk. Because you there on the man and everything. You see what I try to say? And not even that. You even in the man clothes when him wear. You understand? You in the man clothes when him give for wear for come I'm sure. And you are living a man style. You understand? Remember, you usually have Gaza genocide. And you connect a name to this man. Because no for one attack, I don't live in a cartel thing. Because I don't there around him. Want to be like him or whatsoever. Why Alkaline for come out and say about him live in a cartel style? Me not understand. As Alkaline love man. Bro, me tell you about Uno, you know. This is what I try to say. Uno get no time to dominate certain way and depend on certain levels. But because Uno so care about the next man. Uno care about him career till today. Them have him a beat, you know, and make it look like so Uno now do nothing in a dancehall because Uno now no sense. You see what I try to say? You Masicka. You win at the game how long? See? And every topic we are being at 2025, them not even put in it. You even sign to a label only just to market in a Jamaica. It shows say, bro, you not reach that level there yet. And I don't think you ever gonna reach a level because you not really build a structure good yet. Because if you build a structure, they would not talk about the Crux fans them and all of them look something there. Right now, You can say the Gaza fans is with you. You understand? The man them did go give you the king of dancehall, but through your daddy forward now, them take back the crown for you. Yeah, man. Although me say them still a try push up and him a try push up. But me tell you now already, everything a go make sense soon. And the world a go actually see who is the man. You understand? And that is the problem because everything at time, at time do it. You understand? Yeah, man, at time do it. You see me? But people.
Alkaline is a talented
You see me?
DJ,
The thing is that, seeing? The thing is that, people. You see, like how you hear my talk and one bag of thing, before him talk for himself, he might talk about Alkaline and next man. See him like when him call him for an interview and ask him about the clash with him and Alkaline. He make Beanie Man talk for him. These artists are not leaders. That's why them get up and diss Alkaline just because our next man. Them they want Alkaline to pay homage to our next man and say, yeah man, me I live in a Vice Cartel style. Because them grow up in a era them a try to follow the bow down system. You understand? That are them problem. The whole of them so care about cartel and him career and don't care about for them. You understand? But people, we are the next person on the list. I want to listen what him say.
this. That's not going to disrespect cartel, isn't it?
Okay. This, the world boss.
Yeah, nice song. I'm take a seat still. Because I don't take a seat. But watch me play a song like you want to try to tell me something, So I say, I like a boy, I feel kind of style, man, So I just jam my seat for him, Yeah, but I like him this world boss, isn't it?
So,
That's not going.
These are the artists. You hear them? These artists are babies, girls that crying for attention, try to defend a man. Yeah, man, yo, you hear me now? Yo, me not like him a this guy. You understand? Me not like him a this guy's a boss, Yeah, man, me not like the boy want come style guys about. You understand? Yeah, man. These are girls want to be fed by candies. These are the artists we can't lead themselves. You understand? Them have to make a next man lead them pattern. You see, this was the same guy who is crying out for help. When them send a man, forget him in percentage, you understand? We have to pay a cartel in percentage and one bag of thing. These men are weak. You understand? And let me tell you, Alkaline show up the industry because majority of these artists, them tie themselves to a man feelings and what them feel because Alkaline play a song. Alkaline play a song. Zane, rather than cartel, a cartel for you go and say, him a go and so. You understand? And this is why them don't reach far in them career. Them don't reach far because them focus on the next man thing and them no build for them thing. Yo, the whole of them talk about, yo, man live in a cartel, way. I try this cartel, way. The whole of them a cry. You have to wonder why. Oh, me never really hear female artists. But them time they come out on a different cartel. Why it always man? I don't know why. The bag of man in them feelings. Just because Alkaline are doing thing and about the cartel. Because them bow already, So them want Alkaline to come bow. So them say what? Yo, man, different guys about thing, Is what me I try to say. And them no build no legacy over the years. None. And it will show worse in a due time. You see what me I try to say? So these artists get up every day. I beg, yo, I try this a man, just forget the highlight from my next man. You understand? Because Vice Cartel don't really care about them. Don't really care about them if I him alone, dog, name them suffer. You see it? Because when them did a par on him back then, them never did a get nothing, them never reap nothing. Yeah, the one did a bleed them pocket, them couldn't have nothing for themselves. You understand? But people, see our next one, yeah? After so many years, I must see where they might get sure. Is what I try to say, them Marco. And want to listen and hear what I say.
The people, them artists, in Jamaica, them not give cartel for nothing. You see me? I have style, man.
Yeah, I like him style. And nah, I
the man, yo, everything. The man I sing like him, and talk like him, and I try to do interview like him, everything. And I had this man on top of it. Do you think I'll go on? People them are going to beat you. Yeah, this all.
People, you hear what DeMarco just say a while ago? Yeah, this all a man with their prison. Right. People, so me I tell you about them artists, yeah? Them man are big man. Yeah, this a man with their prison. What's so special about a man with their prison? I don't understand. Yeah, say man I do interview like him, man I talk like him, man I sing. What? I don't understand. How man fi do interview like man? I don't understand. What? Try specify man doing interview like man. I don't understand. Go not try say. Look at the interview them. Look at Alkaline interview with them and look at the interview them with Cartel talk. All Cartel was sit down and chat about Shorty front and all of them look at something there. One bag of things, drama and them something there. Alkaline does a talk about him life. You know see, Cartel's a yip yap on interview. Alkaline does a easy and a lay back. I don't know how man I do interview. And this is why with you know DeMarco. That's why you don't in any topic. You don't even in the top 5 artists them. For sure you. Because you not so focused on the next man. You gotta talk about yo this the man and this that. What's so special about Vybz Kartel? He's an artist. Because Uno love man, that's why Kartel special to Uno. You understand? That's no problem. You see what I try to say? Because Uno think for yourself, you know. You see what I and Alkaline see the draw from long time, and that's why today the youth are do way better than enough for Uno. Because Uno just make a man just wrap him arm round Uno. Uno can't move, and that Uno love. Man wrap arm round Uno, and now they are different and one bag of thing. And Uno not even different on one career. You understand? You talk about, oh, if you this man a prison, way, people are gonna beat you. Look on Alkaline today. Look how much you beat him. And him still come out on top more than enough of them. It's like you don't no sense. You set up on yourself in a trap, set up on a career. That's why it don't go far. And you realize the trap. With the industry trap, you know. You plant on yourself. You not even have no sense. It's not like say, yo, you not rep other artists. You only a different one man in a dancehall, eh? One. The same man, Cartel come out. And you did a back him from when? Cartel not even bring up another name, show them, brother. And I get up every day, a different man. We don't even care about Uno. You understand? Because back then, Uno want the highlight there. So what you do? Uno this Alkaline forget the highlight. But wait do for Uno career today. Alkaline career look good. Him have him shows all about him have him fans. Where the highlight when that this Alkaline? Where for Uno career there today now? You understand? Where for Uno career there? Nowhere to be found. Before Uno focus on a career and certain look at things. And that's why Cartel get the highlight today. Because majority of Uno only put on energy in a Cartel hands. Only if you build film thing and make film thing come powerful. That's why him even can't even charge so much money. Can highlight him so much till phone thing just water down if you collect like chuppings. Can no sense. Can no build nothing for yourself. Over the years not prep up a man thing for this and next man. Remember say Alkaline not do nothing. Alkaline not do nothing. Only just come out and no feelings just with Vybz Kartel. And then try show jams off of Alkaline. That's all you do. But look at Alkaline now pay on no mind, you know. And that's why the youth reach so far in them career and do what him do. Because if him did a pay on no mind, he would have distract him thing. He would maybe reach on that level. But Uno just eat the youth, bad mind the youth. And still end up not come out good like what him do. You understand? And that's the problem with Uno. But people, I have a next video now. Zine, the brother is a real cheer boss, Ragging King. I want to listen to him say cause them people have a conversation. We don't know where all of this come from. But me I tell you so the mentality of these artists. You see, if them did that defend them career, them would have reached far in the business. But true because them career not relevant for themselves, you know. Only Vybz Kartel career relevant for them. You understand? But listen to what that brother has say.
About August.
No, what Cartel forward July. Yeah, Cartel could never forward from prison and me go on my platform. And I say, go on like one. After me no blood clot Alkaline.
So people, when you see what me I talk about, Zane, so Ragging King, you hear all of what him say. So basically him put out video and one bag of something. Come and tell you now, them man love man so much till where anytime them want gain a man attention, them have to this one man, which is Alkaline. Imagine. So much man are different one man. Sometimes you want it even weird. Me never see so much man different one artist. So you understand? Not even the female artists them not really do it like that. So you must say, yo, he must put out something and release something and they must think say a cartel him attack. But boom, there goes Alkaline name pop up. He must say after him and Alkaline. Because bro, Alkaline even a meds cartel like that. So I don't know how that come out of the blue, but me just show you the fact people say, look here. These artists, because they not pay them career in mind, that are the problem. Them end up get drop off on certain little things. You see what I'm trying to say? So this is the thing, people. In a dancehall right now, a Alkaline dip on top for that generation. Yeah. You see it? And everything are gonna make sense soon in the people. Not really watch where you hear them attack and the facade and every little thing, man. You understand? Yeah, man. Make them go and talk because reality I got hit, you know. You see it? Anything when in the dark must come to light. So all you see what them a prop up on one bag of thing, man. Me I tell you people, I know nothing normal. People are gonna realize that, look, you see that youth when him Alkaline, him a do it. So make them go and chat and ray one bag of some. Go and hate, go and prop up a man. Cause me tell you this, everybody have them time. Yeah, man, everybody have them time. And people are going to realize the truth. You see it? People are going to realize the truth. And the only reason why them not too like Alkaline is because Alkaline not bow to cartel. You understand? That's why every time them even call up him name. Because when you check it, majority of them bow to cartel already. You see what I'm trying to say? But true enough of them bad mind Alkaline career and the movement where them make, them just always try to compare with it. And I talk about living a style and rate. Cause that is the only way them can try if you bring down Alka say him a live in a cartel style. Which when you look at reality right now, you don't know which kind of style because one of the man them love video, love camera, out there with people and one bag of thing. And you have a man who just stick to himself. You know to see him as a rare, you understand? And the next man loving at the public. Some don't know where them a mean like man a try rare or whatsoever. You see? Because this is the thing. Them love bring down people, you know. You see? Because me know say if Alkaline did a rep cartel, them would not talk about no copy or nothing. Yeah, man, them would not talk about no copy or nothing. A true Alkaline and kick down barriers and I do great in the music industry. That's why them a say it. You understand? Because them no want to give no credit to them and say, yo, him a copy cartel. Look on Gage. Gage do earline, bleach out, everything, try to look like cartel. Them never come out and say yo, him a copy cartel. Them never say nothing like that. But because them time the Gage that say, yo, the Gaza thing. But you Alkaline say it now. And cartel are the little industry puppet thing. So, them a go say, yo, only thing for suppressing thing, I say, yo, him a copy Ray, this, that. I live in a man style and Ray. Because dancehall, this love man mentality, the bowing, that's what them a talk about living a man style and them someday. You understand? That are them problems. So every artist where you see me just play, come out. I say the same thing. Same thing. Rather than them focus on them career, you know. Them come out and say the same thing. When them ask question. One artist. But when you check it 2025, none of them artists they not do what Alkaline do. Why? Because them never did a focus on them career. Them a focus on the next man feelings. A push a next man movement. But things and time are going to change. And people are going to realize the true thing. I remember, you know, you see him cornerstone where builder refuse, are going to become the head cornerstone. So you see all of this like a bag of chatting and ray, you're not going to realize what go on. At time, you know, remember say silent river run deep, you know. Remember that. You see what I try to say? So all of the bag of chatting and the bag of ray and tay, when just go and talk, yeah man, at time will tell. You see what I try to say? Yeah man. But people, when know the thing, you know, dancehall, if enough of them artists that focus on them craft, them wouldn't fall off today. Them would have reached, them would have more bigger in them career and make moves. And them would have in a top 5, top 10. You see what I try to say as artists. You see it, but them not worthy, them are not leader, them are follower. You understand? Yeah man, that's why them have feelings for your next man. That's why when mans run out on this man or whatsoever, them take up that. Run with it. Try this man to get forward and get likes and you want a career there now? Where are you now? We're on a career day in 2025. Unna reach a level, how much I wanna do with the move of Alkaline? How much I wanna pull on our own funds and I keep on a show worldwide right now? How much I wanna? You understand? Unna understand. That's the problem with Uno. But people, you don't know in a media facts, you know. Yeah man, you know the thing said. Bless up. You see it? That is it.